So we have 1 plus 2i all over 1 minus 2i. So as you see, we are dividing two complex numbers. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to multiply by the conjugate of our denominator. As you see, our denominator is 1 minus 2i, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by 1 plus 2i. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean up our numerator, and what we're going to do is FOIL. So when we FOIL our numerator, that will result in 1 plus 2i plus 2i plus 4i squared. We'll do the same in our denominator. You could FOIL the denominator, but in this case you don't have to, because really the only thing that's different is the signs. We have a minus and a plus sign. So if you have this situation, all you need to do is multiply the first and last terms together. So we'll do 1 times 1, which is 1, and then negative 2i times positive 2i, which is negative 4i squared. We can further clean up our numerator by combining like terms. So we'll do 2i plus 2i, and that'll leave us with 1 plus 4i plus 4i squared, all over 1 minus 4i squared. Next thing is, notice that we have I squares in both the numerator and denominator. We can actually substitute that with negative 1. So that'll leave us with 1 plus 4i plus 4 times negative 1, all over 1 minus 4 times negative 1. And then 1 plus 4i plus 4 times negative 1 is the same thing as 1 plus 4i minus 4. And 1 minus 4 times negative 1 is the same thing as 1 plus 4. And then we can simplify this. 1 plus negative 4 is really negative 3, so that'll leave us with 4i minus 3. And then 1 plus 4 in the denominator is 5. And then we have 4i minus 3 over 5, which you could leave as an answer, or you can split this up into two fractions, which would be the same thing as 4/5 I minus 3/5. And there you go.